Hello student, welcome to Blooming Rose Academy. Today we are going to study class 4th Hindi English grammar book. The name of the book is Student Companion Fundamentals and Grammar and Composition. Today we will read the first chapter, the sentence, kinds and part. Before going to start the chapter, first I will make you clear that what is a sentence and what is word, what is alphabet or letters. First of all, what is alphabet? Alphabet, that means letters, that is A, B, C, D, etc. to Z, and a group of alphabet makes a word, and a group of word words which gives sensible meaning is a sentence. So students, A, B, C, D, E, F, G to Z is alphabet, and a group of alphabet makes a word, and a group of words which give sensible meaning is a sentence. Now come to the book. A sentence is a group of words which make a complete sense and conveys a proper information. When we talk about our feelings, our thoughts to someone, we use words, and words which make a sense, and the group of word is called a sentence. Sentence. It has two parts: subject and predicate. Subject, the doer of the sentence, and predicate, the object or the rest of the verb, which is direct or indirect verb. Direct or indirect object is predicate. Like Ram is a boy. Ram, that is a subject because all the words are spoken for Ram. That's why Ram is subject and is a boy is predicate. And our next topic is kinds or types of sentence. Sentences are of four types. Sentences are of four kinds or types. First, assertive sentence. Second, interrogative sentence. Third, imperative sentence. Fourth, exclamatory sentence. Assertive sentence, that makes a statement or assertion. That means simple sentence भी कहा जा सकता है इसको. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. For example, birds fly in the sky. I am a girl. You are a boy. I am a girl. That is example of assertive sentence. You can make many more examples of assertive sentence. Second one is interrogative sentence. This sentence asks questions. It does not state anything. It always asks a question, and it also start with a capital letter and end on a question mark, like in which class do you read, or what is your name. It also a question. We can identify interrogative sentence by this mark. This is interrogation mark. What we call it? Interrogation mark or question mark. The third one is imperative sentence. These sentences express a command, a request, or an order. For example, do your work or go out of the class. When we give a command, give an order to someone, that is an imperative sentence. For example, please give me your pencil. Please give me your pencil. That is the example of imperative sentence. And the last one is exclamatory sentence. These sentences express strong feeling of joy, sorrow, surprise, or fear. Joy, that means happiness, sorrow, grief, dukh, surprise, or fear. Done. For example, bravo, you have done well. What a tall building. Alas, I have lost my pet dog, Rummy. Another one example is what a beautiful building. And this mark is interrogation mark, sorry, exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. We can identify the sentence by this mark. This is exclamation mark. And the last point of this page is a sentence begin with a capital letter, as I told you before starting the chapter, and ends with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark as shown in the sentence above. That's all for today, and in our next class we study about alphabetical order. We study about vowels and consonant, alphabetical order, parts of sentence, phrase and clause. Thank you, and please read all the things.